DJI Mini 5 Pro is the proof that good things can come in small packages. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your hub of the latest tech updates. The DJI Mini may look small, but it's flying high in competition, telling the world what's possible in a sub-250-gram drone. At just 249.9 grams, it stays within the C0 category in Europe, meaning you need no registration or training to pilot this one. Yet, it packs professional-grade power that punches way above its class. The Mini 5 Pro has a 1-inch sensor, a dramatic leap from the Mini 4 Pro, capable of capturing 4K video at up to 120 frames per second. With DJI's D-Log M color profile and 14 stops of dynamic range, the image quality is no less than any expensive drones. It's like carrying cinematic photography in your pocket. But it's not just about visuals. This drone leads the pack in safety as well, with omnidirectional object sensing with front-facing LiDAR, low-light navigation, obstacle avoidance, and DJI's enhanced return-to-home function give pilots both freedom and stress-free flight. And that's not all. The 360-degree active track mode ensures subjects stay perfectly centered, even in complex environments, while the 3-axis gimbal provides rock-solid stabilization with a wide 225-degree roll range, so you can shoot both horizontal and vertical without any fuss. It may look small, but the Mini 5 Pro is now up against the larger Air 3S in several key areas, from safety tech to video performance, but in a far more portable, regulation-free form. Even DJI's own higher-end models could be outshined by this. So those beginners who just want to fly high without training or registration, the Mini 5 Pro is the clear choice. It's not just the best beginner drone, it's the best ultralight drone, period. So, are you gonna get one for yourself? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.